Welcome to Food Invites. Your business, your control. Product groups in menu management. It is important that customers are able to find products easily. Grouping similar product together is one of the best ways to do it. For example, it makes sense to group all bread or naan under one heading. When you click on the product group of naan, you would able to see all type of naan under it. Like all coffee under coffee product group. All biryanis under biryani product group. And so on. The important thing to identify is that they are of same kind and displayed in their respective product groups. We call them a product group. With the help of FoodInvites Product Group App, you can add new product groups, add products to product group and reorder product in the product group. Let's learn how to manage product groups. Log in and arrive at Launchpad. Scroll down and get to the menu management section. Launch the product group dashboard by clicking on Product Group App. On top, you note quick actions to add product group, choose from our library and republish product group. Just below, in the product group grid, you can see all the product groups, which were added when you created your menus during registration or later. There are two ways to add a new product groups. You can either add a new product group and provide all information, or you may find the product groups already in the library and add it easily with a click. Let's learn to add a new product groups from the library first. Click on Choose from our library. You can search any product groups by name in multiple languages. Let's suppose your business sells momos, and you would like to add a product group for easy identification of all momo products. Search for momos and select the product group and click Done. Go back to the product group dashboard. Observe the newly added product group in the product group grid with the new icon. Click Context menu and edit the product group as required for your business needs. Next, let's validate the product in the momos product group. Click the edit icon next to products. Unselect all products, which you don't need. Next, we need to add our momos products. We can either select from our own products, if we have already added those products. We can also add products from library. Remember, adding a product group from library is the easiest way to add product groups. And most of the time you may find a matching or similar product group that you can use to begin with and modify as required. In case you don't find your product group in the library, let's see how easily we can add a new product groups from scratch. Click on Create Product Group. In the Add Product Group dialog, add the product group name and description of your product group. Next, we should upload a featured image of the product group for better understanding. If you have not already watched, please watch our photo app video to learn how to add photo to your product group. Next, let's add products in our newly created product group. Add product by selecting from existing products or by seed. If you have not already watched, please watch our product app video to learn how to create a product, or edit or choose from library. Click Done. Great, now we have the new product group visible in the product group dashboard with a new icon. Launch Edit dialog by clicking the context menu. The three dots next on the product group card. Observe that you can also add name and description in multiple languages and save them. If you need to arrange your products as per your liking, then scroll down to the product section and click on Edit. You will see the Sort command at the top right corner. Click on it, and you will be able to rearrange your products by simply dragging and dropping them to the desired position. Once you've arranged your products, click on Save Ordering to apply the changes. In this quick demo, we learned ways to add and create product groups. In case you need any support, please feel free to connect with us on our WhatsApp support channel. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel at FoodInvites. Thanks for watching. Click on the next video to learn about FoodInvites Menu Groups app.